About 11 years ago, I decided to become a Birkman consultant, and I wanted to start my practice primarily with couples, because Birkman's been around for, at this point, almost 70 years, but typically it was used as a corporate instrument as opposed to as a personal instrument for people like, married couples or committed couples or individuals and that kind of stuff. So we'd been married for 10 years when Susan took it. I took it a long time ago, and it really was interesting to understand some things about our relationship that I'd always sort of questioned, wasn't really understanding, and the Birkman really clarified things. And so I never understood why Susan kept saying stuff like, "Did you not notice that the cabinet door was open in the kitchen?" And I would literally say, "I really hadn't." Or she'd say things like, "Why has this envelope been on my kitchen counter for 3 days? Are you going to do something with it?" And there was a Birkman score at the time called Structure that explained for Susan, structure was very important, and she wanted to have everything in a specific place. And I had a very low structure score, and so I didn't care about those sorts of things. And so when the Birkman put that in black and white and we were actually able to see our scores, it really was an aha moment. And we changed the way we did things around the house just from that one single score. There's a lot of elbow poking, there's a lot of C. One of the reasons we decided to do it as a group is because you see other groups, you see other couples, and you see sort of what their scores are and what their differences are and what their similarities are, and you realize that every couple is unique, and that's the way God made us. And we all have our strengths, we all have our needs, we all have causes of stress. And when you see other couples in that environment, you can empathize with them, you can identify with them, you can say, "Hey, we're not so strange after all, look at that couple." So it is a lot of fun. There's a lot of laughing. I just love to do the work. I'd been in corporate sales for 25 plus years, and working with Birkman has just been wonderful. It's such an incredible tool. There are companies that literally run their business on Birkman. Boeing, Waste Management, Walmart. It's such an industry leading tool that it's really nice to be able to take an instrument like this and help couples. And so I really enjoy seeing the couples interact with each other, see the aha moments for them. As I said, I give a money back guarantee, and in 11 years, nobody's ever asked for it back, so I guess that's a good thing.